If a fighter jet needs to do an emergency landing, a mechanism known as the FRESNEL lens optical landing system activates and guides the pilot on a safe path down to the carrier runway. The FRESNEL lens optical landing system shoots out beams of light that indicate to the pilot if he or she is flying too low or too high. In the last moments before touchdown, the pilot will align the fighter jet to catch one of the arresting wires on the runway, or the carrier using its tail hook. These arresting wires are made of several interwoven high-tensile steel wires and are attached to a hydraulic system below the deck of the carrier. There are usually 3 to 4 parallel arresting wires on the deck of the carrier, each spaced around 50 feet apart.